How's it going, everybody? This is a 2013 BMW 128i convertible, and if you just got one, you're interested in how to use certain things on it, check out our playlist. We got other videos about this car. But if you want to use the convertible top, just get in the car. Make sure you have your key fob with you, of course. You can either put your key fob in this slot here, like, you know, in the up position like this. Put it into it. The car will make a noise, and as soon as you turn the key into this position, the radio will come on, and also you can start the car just by pushing that. And if you want to crank the car, the brake pedal needs to be pushed as well. So with the key on, brake pedal on, hit the button, car will start. But if you just want to lift the top up, put this into the run position, your displays will come on. And with this button right here, just hold this button, all windows will go down, top will go up and back by itself. It just takes a few seconds, so you know, just be patient while it does all of its gyrations back there. And there it goes. Once that back door completely seats, you know it's done. And then to put it back up, just press the other button, and you have to hold the button the whole time while you're doing this. Hold the button, continue to hold it, and it does all of its stuff. You just continue to hold the button. It just takes a few moments, and you can do this while the car is in motion as well, up to 25 miles per hour. So if you're sitting at a stoplight or, you know, a parking situation, you want to lower or raise the top quickly, you can do it while you're out on the road, as long as you're going slower than 25 miles per hour. And once you're done, go back to the off position. If you want to take the key out, push it in and remove it, and that's all there is to it. Got other videos about this car on our channel, so check it out. We got tons more stuff you might like. So y'all have a good day.